Okay, in this part of the CAD model features, we're going to be doing the rectangular pattern. I've already created the 6-inch wide by 4-inch high rectangle that's extruded to 1/2 inch. So you'll need to do that first, and then you can do the rest of this. So the next part is a sketch on that. That's a 0.30 circle that's 1/2 inch from either side. So that's where I'm going to start here with a new sketch on here down in the corner. A 0.3 inch circle, and then I'm going to dimension that from the sides to the center at 0.5 inches. And we're going to finish the sketch on that one. Now that part is going to be extruded out, and that extrusion is going to be this peg that's going to go 6 times in the long direction and 4 times in the short direction. That peg's coming out. I'm going to make that extrusion 1/2 inch out as well before we do our rectangular pattern. And we're also going to apply a chamfer to that. So we're going to do that now. So we're going to extrude that bit out. I'm going to go, well, let's go 0.375. That looks better there. And we need to put a chamfer on that. So under fillet is chamfer. And select that size around there. And that amount is 1/32 of an inch. So that's not a decimal, but that's okay. We can put that in nonetheless. We just simply type that in as a fraction. 1 divided by 32, and check that. Now we've got what we're going to make our rectangular pattern from. So looking at that, we'll use the rectangular pattern, and the first thing we do is to select the feature. So we select the extrusion and the chamfer. You have to select both if you want to get that on all of the pegs. After we select the feature, we're going to select a direction. Now the direction, we select the edge of one of our shapes, and it starts to make our peg. You can see it's going off of there, so we need to switch the direction. So in direction 1 here, flip it the other direction. It may be fine for you, but that's what we need. And we need 6 of those going across. It's already set for a 1-inch spacing, which fits them all on there just fine. Now we switch to direction 2, switch the side, so we're going right and left across this. Flip that direction, and there's going to be 4 of those. Once we've created that, we click OK, and we've got our pegboard. So it's a simple little one, and you can save that. And this is going to be called rectangular pattern. So we have the rectangular pattern saved in our model features.